This video is going to show you how to use the campaign template. Maralytics is a great program to track any type of marketing campaign that you are doing to promote your business. The campaign template is one of our free tools that we offer to our customers as a free download, which you can use as an Excel spreadsheet or a Google Sheet, whichever way you want to download it. Now I want you to show you a marketing mix of different campaigns that I had in my restaurants in the past and how you can use a similar strategy in modern day. I've added some campaigns to the campaign template so you can see the details more clearly. The template is also set up so you can easily add the information into the Maralytics platform. If you are using one of our integrated partners, you would be not adding the customers or the sale value because this is done automatically in the software when you add the reference code to every sale transaction that is linked to a campaign. So here you can see a selection of the campaigns that we have active. We've got quite a variety here. We've got a delivery app, Uber Eats, Google AdWords, Groupon, barter card, entertainment book, email newsletters, newspapers, loyalty cards, LinkedIn, website, Facebook and Instagram. And then we look at our campaign type. So that's the type of what your offer is on your particular marketing campaign. Got the start date, the finish date, the cost type, which is how often you would be paying. Is it a one-off or one-time payment? Is it a monthly payment? Is it a daily payment? You would be adding that into the system. The cost date, and then we've got the campaign ID, which is a system-generated number. So if we look over in the Maralytics system, you can see exactly the same campaigns that are listed here. When you go to create a campaign, that information that we had was the campaign name, the campaign type, start date and end date, and you would add some notes if you wanted to, and then click on create. So having the template, start name, type, start date, finish date matches in really nicely with having to creating a new campaign. So once we've got information in there, you can easily go and view the campaign as well. So again, this information matches the campaign template. We have the campaign, we're on the information page. We have the campaign name, the campaign date, the campaign type, the start date, the finish date, the duration of the campaign, and then the lists of costs. So this is a monthly campaign, starts on, so this is the date it would start on and end on, how much the value is per month, and then the total cost of the campaign. We can then go have a look at the results of the campaign. We've got our total sales, our total profit. So total sales, total cost, then becomes your profit, and then we're looking at our ROI percentage. This ROI or return on investment percentage is a really good number to be using because then you can compare all your campaigns for apples. You can see which ones are giving the best results. We can also see here on this table our total customers, our profit per customer, spend per customer, and cost per customer. We also have the option to export any of these information. It can be exported as a PDF file or it can be exported as a CSV file. I've added the number of the cost value, the number of customers, the sales value, the profit and the ROI percentage to this spreadsheet. So it's a quick snapshot of what is happening on that campaign, but this is mainly used for setting up and making sure you've got a good marketing mix. We also can have a direct comparison on what the ROI or the return on investment percentage looks like. So the bigger the number, the more profitable the campaign. This is why we'd be looking at some large numbers. So that's all you need to know for working with the campaign template. If you want to change it, please do so. It's yours to download and do anything you want with it. And we'd always like great feedback. So happy marketing.